Hello and welcome to the Cinema Fascinator without a head block video course. I'm so excited to guide you through the step-by-step process of creating your own beautiful handcrafted cinema hat. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience, this course is designed to be clear, practical, and inspiring, helping you build essential millinery skills while creating something truly unique. My name is Elena Shvab, and I'm a London-based milliner with over 10 years of experience in designing and handcrafting hats. My work blends traditional techniques with modern design, and I've had the pleasure of creating hats for private clients around the world, as well as for special occasions and events like Royal Ascot, London Fashion Week, and other social occasions. Alongside my studio work, I also teach millinery courses, both in person and online, and I truly enjoy helping others discover the creativity and satisfaction that hat making brings. Today, I'll be teaching you how to create a cinema straw hat, just like one displayed on the mannequin. The best part? You'll learn a hat making technique that does not require traditional millinery hat blocks. The technique is especially useful for beginners, as hat blocks can be a costly investment. Learning block-free methods will expand your skills and give you more creative freedom using minimal tools. In this course, you'll also learn the basics of hat decoration, including how to create a pleated fan, rolling edge technique, making a bias strip for trimming and embellishments, stitch wire to support the hat base, and finally, how to attach your finished hat to a hatband, comb, or elastic to keep it securely on a hat. So let's begin. I have designed this course so that you don't need a lot of materials or expensive millinery tools. With just a few basic supplies, you'll be able to create stunning Fascinator hats while learning the fundamental skills of millinery, skills that can be adopted and applied in many creative ways. So, let's go through the list of all the materials and tools we'll be needing today. The most important and fundamental material is stiffened cinema straw. Please note, if your cinema is not pre-stiffened, you'll need to stiffen it first using a millinery stiffener solution before proceeding. When ordering your materials, be sure to choose stiffened cinema straw. We will need 1 meter each in pink and burgundy. You can use 1.5 to 2 meters in a single color if preferred, but I recommend 2 contrasting yet complementary shades for added depth and visual harmony in your design. The next essential tool is a cotton-covered steel millinery wire, used in the millinery industry to support the edge of a hat brim or for creating unique shapes and forms. It comes in a variety of widths and diameters. We will be using cotton-covered millinery wire 1.2 millimeter. It also comes in a variety of colors. The most common ones are white and black. As a tip, the fact that the wire is covered with cotton thread allows you to paint the wire with acrylic paint, so you can color match the wire to your creations. Other materials that we will need: pliers for cutting the wire, scissors, 1 pair for cutting straw and a smaller pair for thread and fine detail work, needles and matching thread. Choose colors that blend well with your materials. Iron. A steam generator or regular steam iron is ideal, as it allows you to control steam use for different steps. Alternatively, a dry iron and a spray bottle filled with tap water will work too. Tap water in a spray bottle used to soften the cinnamon straw, making it more pliable and easy to work with. Flat surface, any sturdy table will do. Use a plain cotton or synthetic cloth to protect the surface and help with pressing. Baking paper, available at most grocery stores, used to protect materials during ironing. Glue. I recommend Yoo-hoo all-purpose glue. It bonds well with straw and fabric, dries clear and quickly, and doesn't smell. Useful tip. It can be easily removed with nail polish remover if needed. We will also need a pattern template for the hat base. A dinner plate often works perfectly, or you can create your own template from cardboard. A steamer. A steamer is one of the most important tools in millinery. Steam softens the fibers of the straw, making them pliable and flexible. It's an essential tool for shaping straw and creating decorations. You can use a basic garment steamer, an iron with steam function, or even a kitchen kettle. Pencil or tailor chalk for tracing your pattern, measuring tape, art clips, tailor pins. To secure the Fascinator hat on your head, you'll need one or more of the following accessories: elastic that matches your hair color, a satin-covered headband in the color of your choice, a hair comb. Now, as we have all the materials in order, let's start with blocking a Fascinator hat base.